During the holiday break, Elena is making a toy railroad track. She is 3/5 of the way done and has so far made it 6 2/3 feet long. How long will the track be after she is done? So if you want to go ahead and try this one out, go ahead and pause the video now and work through this problem. So for the first step here, we got to figure out what kind of math are we doing, and we got to set up some sort of problem. So this one's a little bit tougher because what we're doing is we're actually going to end up dividing this one, but we got to figure out why. So we don't know how long the track is going to end up being, but if we were trying to find what 3/5 of the track is, anytime we're trying to find the fraction of something, we're multiplying. So 3/5 of our total is going to give us how much 3/5 actually is. So we already know that 3/5 is equal to 6 2/3. So in this case here, when we're asked, okay, we know that it's 6 2/3 feet long currently, and that's 3/5. Here's a multiplication problem that would show us that number. Then what we're really trying to find is how big it's going to be when it's done. We know that division is the opposite of multiplication. So what we can do here is we can take 6 2/3 and we can divide it by 3/5, which gives us our total here that the total track is. So what kind of math we're doing? We're doing division, and the setup of the problem is taking 6 2/3 and dividing it by 3/5, which will tell us how long the track will be when it's done. So now when we're dividing fractions, we got to make sure that they're improper fractions. We can't have any mixed numbers. So that would be 20/3 by multiplying 3 times 6 and then adding 2, which is 20. And we're dividing that by 3/5. Now when we're dividing fractions, we got to keep 20/3 as the same. Then we change the division to multiplication, and then we flip the second fraction. Now we're just doing a multiplication problem, so we're just multiplying across. 20 times 5 is 100, and 3 times 3 is 9, which we can then make into a mixed number of 11 and 1/9 by saying that 9 goes into 100 11 times with 1 left over. So when they're done with the track, it'll be 11 and 1/9 feet